Let's see Mason when he first wakes up in the morning. Good morning. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Hi. Yeah? Do you have any dreams?
I had a weird dream. Oh, it was crazy. I remember one part of it. I was sitting there and I was candling my egg, right? And I was looking inside and I could see every part of this duck. I could see the leg, I could see the webbed feet, the wing, the whole head, including the beak. It was weird. I was like, see, it really is alive, because it was sitting there moving. Not like extensively, but you could just tell, like how Mason would move inside you. Just like those little movements. It's like,
They weren't little movements.
Hmm?
I said they weren't little movements.
you were all like,
Are we happy in the morning?
Just taking over my arm. Well, good morning, spring break.
Yeah. And 2 more days till your sisters are 15. Woohoo!
And 2 more days and 6 months until you can drive. He's like, oh really?
He's got, what, 15 more years?
You got a while, buddy boy.
It'll probably change by then.
What, the driving law?
Maybe.
There's one place that Vega was talking about.
He's like, you're blocking my shot.
There's one place that she said you can get your driver's permit at 14.
Where?
I can't remember.
Arkansas, Alabama?
No, I can't remember where she said it was. But I was just like, seriously? God, that insurance is gonna be high.
Yeah. Blah. Maybe it's up in Iowa or Dakotas, but there's hardly anything around.
South Dakota.
Somebody's gotta drive. Bye. Alright, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
He's like, I'll just wave it with my foot.
Bye-bye. Bye, Nathan. Bye-bye. There you go. Pull yourself up. Pull yourself up. Whoops. Whoopsie.
Oh gosh, Mason.
Get up. He's still trying to say. There you go. Come on, Bubba. Oh.
Yeah. He came up and back again.
Ugly pants, huh? Ugly pants, huh, Boo Boo?
Tell him, Mason, you love my pants. You love them. They're nice and bright and not red and dull. Burnt orange.
Isn't that burnt orange?
They're not
Burnt orange is
burnt orange.
Texas.
What am I saying? I don't know.
Tangerine orange.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi.
I found out the best food for mallard ducklings.
What?
I can't remember what it's called, but it's spice. Blue seal.
Who's a happy baby? Are you a happy baby? Are you a happy baby? Yeah, I'm not either when I look at those. It's kind of confusing, huh?
Oh my gosh. I bet you could have landed on
Mason, what are you doing? Mason. You can. You can.
I'd say you like 12 at least. How long are we when we found our phone?
You got one at like 10 or 11, but it was that single one.
Yeah. That was just because we were going out to California recently.
Wipe your snot on it, honey. Go ahead.
That's okay, honey. You know you love it. Cherish it, love it. Don't pinch my eyebrow. He's laughing about it. Yeah. There you go. Bless you.
Bless you. Mason. Like, Mama? 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 Look how
like
happy that word makes him, huh?
You like Morse code.
Mama. Mama. Yeah. Mama. 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 Ow. Mama. Mama.
What are you
You taste yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
But it tastes like chicken.
Is that funny? Just taste everything. I just taste everything. I just taste everything. Are you like Edward? Just gonna bite everything.
Alive or dead.
Hi. Hello. Hello. Who's the cute booba? Me. Right here. This guy. What are you doing? What are you doing there? Cough and sneeze. Woo!
Just don't cough, sneeze, burp at the same time. You'll explode. Just saying. And back to the side.
Bubba. You gotta go? I gotta go. Mason, you gotta go. See, I like that wrist band. Give it to me. Give it to me.
I'm just gonna
Give it
slip it. She won't even notice.
to me. Like Puss in Boots.
He's like, this isn't working.
Figure this out. Give her. No. Maybe if I take it here. Come here. Dang. No. Okay, both hands. Give it to me.
He's like, I'll just hold the hand and hope it comes off on its own.
Hey.
No.
Let me lick it off.
Let me bite it in half. Let it go. He's having so much fun with that. You got a 1/4 through it. I'll help you out, buddy.
Uh-oh.